vMeasure Pallet Dimensioner. Compact dimensioner built for compact warehouse spaces. Designed with a compact footprint to fit seamlessly into tight warehouse layouts. All it requires 3.5 meters in length, 4.5 meters in width, and 4.3 meters in height for installation. A 4.8 meter arm delivers wide pallet coverage without increasing the footprint. You can install the Dimensioner just above existing shrink wrap machines and floor scales without creating a separate installation zone. vMeasure is designed for quick mounting. It mounts directly on the floor and is typically ready in under 4 hours. The setup is simple. It only needs 4 screws for mounting and does not require any additional support. vMeasure scans pallets up to 13 feet in length, 12 feet in width, and 11 feet in height. It captures dimensions and annotated images in under 2 seconds, along with additional 360-degree freight photos using additional network cameras. Once measured, all captured data is securely stored in vMeasure Forge, our SOC 2 certified cloud platform, then transferred in real time to your existing WMS and shipping software through no-code APIs in under 2 seconds. vMeasure Pallet Dimensioner, now available in compact mode for compact warehouse spaces.